Robert, this is my report, Agile Methods. Robert C. Abestano from BSCS Tripper. So, the term Agile Method was adopted in 2001 by a group of eminent software engineers at a meeting in Utah, USA. It refers to approaches to software development that reduce risk by delivering software systems in short bursts or releases. In contrast to heavyweight development approaches such as the waterfall model, in which the delivery of a working system can take many months, if not years to be released, the concept behind Agile method is to release working systems to the user in a matter of weeks. Although each iteration might not release a fully working system to the user at the end of each cycle, the aim is to still to have an available release at the end of each iteration. The evolutionary prototyping approach and incremental model introduced in the previous sections are, from a process point of view, agile methods. The other main characteristics of agile methods that differentiate them from other, more conventional models include their emphasis on smaller development teams and face-to-face communications with the users who are quite often based in the same working environment as the developers. Agile's methods are well suited to projects that have unclear or rapidly changing requirements. The project team is fairly small but highly competent and can be trusted, and close interaction with the user must be possible. A number of key principles were established by the founding group referred to as the Agile Manifesto. These principles include satisfying the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software, welcoming changing requirements, short iterative timescale of weeks, close working relationship between developers and users, face-to-face conversations rather than detailed documentations. Working software is the measure of progress. Terms are self-organizing. Terms reflects on how they might improve themselves regularly. Because of the reduced amount of documentation Agile method produce, they have come in for some criticism. However, for smaller projects, student projects for example, the principle can lead to development of software that goes a long way to meeting the user's requirements. Extreme programming. Extreme programming is a software development approach that encompasses many of the ideals of agile methods. It was introduced in the 1990s in an attempt to improve the way in which software is developed. It is designed for teams of between 2 and 12 members, so it is ideally suited for student projects. Extreme programming is an approach that is well suited to projects in which the requirements are likely to change. The approach actively encourages the users to be involved with the development process and anticipates the positive influence they will have on requirements capture. It emphasizes teamwork and, in the case of student projects, encourages the user, supervisors, and the project team to work together towards a common goal of developing quality software. According to the Wells, in 2006,